Okay, this is table number 7. So I said I wasn't going to drag out the steam. Anyway, I have dusted off about, I don't know, 14 years of dust. This is another table. I'll make another video for this one and this table here. So there's no internal combustion engines in this. This is all steam. Anyway, I'll start on this table. So on this table, by the way, these are all Mamod, or if you read this here. So Mamod was founded in 1937 and closed towards the end of last year. And apparently we pronounce it wrong. It's supposed to be Mamod. So Mamod's from England. So they make a variety of different, styles of engines, I guess. So this is a limousine. This is the Sp5 limousine. I think this one's about 1984. This one here, SW1, this is a wagon, come out in about 1972. So I've got two cars, or roadsters. Oops, wrong way. So this roadster is SA1 1976. Some of this stuff my kids haven't even seen. It's just been locked away. This one, SA1, is at 1979. This one, I've left it on that box there because I don't think it's ever been off that box. So this engine, this is a little Mastrand steamroller. So this is about 1950s. This one needs a bit of a restoration, but from what I understand, this engine is what Mamod, or give Mamod the inspiration to start building their engines, and so they built their first steamroller based on this engine, but it's only a little bit bigger. So this is the first Mamod that I bought. This is a T1. It is modified a bit. I'm not sure who did the work on it. I didn't even know who Mamod was when I bought this particular engine. Didn't realise that they should come with a roof. It was only after I bought this one, started looking around, that I realised that, yeah, this one had been changed as much as it has. It's a nice little engine. So this is their steamroller, the SR1A. This is made about 1978. This comes with a box. This is one of their first steamrollers they made. This was made in about 1961, so that's SR1. This comes with its box. It's obviously been run, that one. That's fine, that's good. So this is a T1 made in about 1963. Don't know if we can have a look under there. Oh, sorry. So that one was made in about 1963. So this one is a T1 made about 1978, this one. That's what I'll work it out to be anyway. So this one, I put the rubber tyres on it. I've actually had this one out running around the concrete. My kids, so my son, he loved it when it was running anyway. And this is the last Mamod. It's TE1A, about 1978 as well. So I think one of them, there's only that one there that's actually got a sight glass on it. All the rest have just got the little plug. That's about it for this table. Thank you. Okay, so this is table number 8. So this particular engine is a Sp5 twin cylinder. I haven't got a date there, I'm not sure of the date. There is a date written in one of those boxes, I think, about 1982 from what I understand. So there's 2 boxes because there is 2 of these. I'm not sure why I've got 2. But. So it's a little twin cylinder. So coming on to the next one, this is a Se3 twin cylinder, 1972. This has got all its little bits and pieces in its bag. This is the model with, what do you call that? The little relief valve. Comes with the box. This one doesn't even have a name. Not sure what the model is on this one. It doesn't have a box or anything. This one here is a Minor 2. Comes with its little box, little single cylinder. This one is a SR1. So this one has never been used. Comes with its little box there. And this last one, what's that? MM2. Yeah, it comes with a little box. I did notice today when I pulled it out of the box, it looks like I'm missing the relief valve out of that, so I'll have to, So I'll have to try and find that. Anyway, that's it for the Mamods. Thank you very much.